Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Hua. Today I have a super easy and simple turkey chili that I will be making in a crock pot. This is the perfect recipe for the upcoming holidays and also the winter days ahead of us. The ingredients for the turkey chili recipe will be listed down below in the description box. I like to use orange and green bell peppers, dice up a small onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. And of course, for the turkey chili, you will need some ground turkey. Add in 2 cans of diced tomato, and this has no salt in it, and also 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I'm using chicken bone broth, but feel free to use chicken stock. I have a can of kidney beans and also a can of black beans. Now I do like to drain and rinse the beans thoroughly before I put it in the crock pot. Give everything a quick mix, and also you can use whatever type of beans you like in your turkey chili. Cover the crock pot with the lid and then turn it on high. You will need to cook the ground turkey before you add it to the crock pot, and I have 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm also seasoning the ground turkey with some salt. I'm using a meat chopper to break up the ground turkey into smaller bits. I'm also adding in all the vegetables and the aromatics to the ground turkey and making sure that everything is thoroughly mixed together. It doesn't have to be cooked all the way. I like to do this for about maybe 3 to 4 minutes with the vegetables and then take it off the heat, go over to my crock pot and add it in. Feel free to use ground beef if that's your preferred choice of protein. And then now you're going to add in all of your seasoning. And the list of the seasonings and the proportions will be listed down below. Salt and pepper will be due to your liking, depending if you use low sodium canned goods or not. And then just give it a quick mix. And then after that, all you have left to do is to put on a cover lid and let it cook for about 4 to 5 hours, and then you'll be done. Now, halfway through the cooking time, I decided that I wanted to add in a can of corn. So I did. So I just went ahead and added in and cooked it for another 2 hours, and it was completely done. It was absolutely delicious. You can serve it with whatever toppings you like. I like to keep it pretty plain. Sour cream, cheddar cheese, and some cilantro on top. I hope you enjoy my easy and simple turkey chili in a crock pot recipe. Stay tuned for tomorrow for day 7 of my Christmas series.